Welcome back to Daily Drives, your ultimate destination for futuristic machines, legendary rebuilds, and next-level vehicle concepts. On this channel, we explore the kind of engineering that pushes limits and rewrites what vehicles are capable of. Today's feature is something truly unique and powerful, the Fordson Major Tracked Concept Custom Build 2026. This is not just a restoration, and it's not just a tractor upgrade. It's a bold reimagining of a classic workhorse, transformed into a modern, tracked beast built for extreme terrain and unstoppable performance. The original Fordson Major earned its reputation decades ago as one of the toughest agricultural machines ever made. Known for its raw torque, simple mechanics, and legendary durability, it became a symbol of strength in farms and industrial sites around the world. Fast forward to 2026, and custom builders have taken that iconic foundation and rebuilt it with a completely new purpose. The result is a tracked concept machine that looks like it belongs in both history books and the future at the same time. One of the biggest transformations in this custom build is the track system. The traditional wheels are replaced with heavy-duty, steel-reinforced tracks inspired by construction, equipment, and military vehicles. These tracks dramatically improve grip, stability, and ground pressure distribution, allowing the machine to move confidently through mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain. The entire chassis has been strengthened to support the track system, with reinforced mounting points and upgraded suspension components designed to absorb shocks and maintain balance on uneven ground. Under the hood, the Fordson Major Tracked Concept stays true to its roots while embracing modern improvements. The original engine layout has been restored and upgraded with modern cooling systems, improved fuel delivery, and refined torque tuning. Instead of focusing on high speed, the 2026 build emphasizes controlled power and reliability. This machine is designed to pull, push, climb, and survive harsh environments without breaking down. It delivers smooth, low RPM performance that feels unstoppable rather than aggressive. The operator experience has also been upgraded for 2026 while keeping the classic soul alive. The cabin retains its old-school industrial feel, but now features modern digital gauges, performance monitors, and system alerts. These additions allow the operator to track engine health, track tension, fuel efficiency, and terrain load in real time. The steering has been refined for tracked movement, making tight turns smoother and reducing operator fatigue during long operations. What truly sets this concept apart is its versatility. The Fordson Major Tracked Concept is not limited to farming anymore. It's built to handle construction work, forestry tasks, off-road recovery, snow clearing, and remote exploration. The rear attachment system has been modernized to support a wide range of tools, including plows, winches, trailers, and custom industrial equipment. Sped-mounted storage compartments allow operators to carry tools, spare parts, and survival gear, making it ideal for remote job sites where support is limited. Visually, the machine is a perfect blend of vintage and futuristic design. The iconic Fordson silhouette is preserved but enhanced with reinforced panels, modern lighting, protective guards, and aggressive track housings. The matte industrial paint finish gives it a rugged, purpose-built look that reflects its strength. LED work lights surround the body, allowing full visibility during night operations or extreme weather conditions. The Fordson Major Tracked Concept also represents a growing trend in 2026, reviving legendary machines instead of replacing them. Rather than building something entirely new, this project respects the engineering of the past and enhances it with modern technology. It proves that classic machines still have a place in the future when innovation is applied thoughtfully. This concept is about sustainability, durability, and making machines that last for generations, instead of just a few years. In a world dominated by high-speed automation and disposable technology, this tracked Fordson stands as a reminder of mechanical honesty and functional design. It's slow, powerful, and purposeful. Every movement feels controlled, every component feels solid, and every upgrade serves a clear function. This is a machine built for people who value strength, reliability, and real engineering over flashy numbers. Thanks for watching Daily Drives. where legendary machines meet futuristic ideas. If you enjoyed this deep look into the Fordson Major Tracked Concept Custom Build 2026, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let us know what classic machine you want to see transform next. Until the next ride, stay inspired, stay driven, and keep exploring the future with daily drives.